Juice Plus offers a variety of products. We're proud to be offering Complete by Juice Plus. It caters to an active lifestyle and is perfect for people on the go who don't always find the time for a balanced diet. Complete allows you to replace an entire meal with the perfect combination of carbohydrates, vegetable protein, fibre, beneficial fats, vitamins and minerals when used according to preparation instructions. It's made with vegetable protein and is lacto-vegetarian. Just like our capsules, it's gluten and GMO-free, contains no preservatives, artificial sweeteners, colourings and flavourings, and it's produced in Europe. Here's how it's made. 1 scoop of Complete or 1 single-serve sachet. Mix it with 250 millilitres of skimmed milk and you're done. As simple as that. The only difficulty might be choosing between vanilla and chocolate. Are you often on the road, zipping around, being busy? Complete bars are the perfect companion. Tasty and full of plant-based protein. The bars provide you with a balanced mix of nutrients and replace an entire meal. They're also great as a snack. Choose between Complete chocolate bar with cranberries, raisins, cocoa and linseeds and Complete mixed fruit bar with peanuts, cranberries, goji berries, mango and strawberry pieces, both vegan and gluten-free, and tastes delicious. If you're craving something warm and hearty, there's our Complete soup. Prepared with 300 millilitres of skimmed milk, the soup replaces an entire meal. Prepared this way, it's lacto-vegetarian. It tastes delicious and contains the best variety of vegetables, including potatoes, carrots, peas, celery, cauliflower, leeks and broccoli. Everything to warm your soul. Juice Plus, inspiring healthy living around the world.